I'm going to show you how to install these magnetic locks. I've already got the top part on where I want it, so I'm just going to put the little installation guide into place for the next piece. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, holding a camera. That's where I want that. And they come with a little adhesive on the back, so it makes it really easy to get it into place and then get your screws in later. So let me get the adhesive off, which again, kind of hard to do with one hand. Make sure your little latch is down so that it can get locked. Try and fit this in one-handed. Goodness. There we go. Stick it in my fingers. Okay. Open up my other cupboard so I can get it done. And I'll just close my cupboard and then stick the adhesive on where I need it to be. And then there it is. And now, when I close it, can't get it open without a little magnet. Make sure I have it facing the right way. Put the magnet where it needs to be. Oh gosh, this is going to be hard to do one-handed. Magnet where it needs to go. Let me get it off the regular hook. Put the magnet where it needs to go. And you can usually hear it click. And then you can pull it open. And there you go. See how it opens and closes when you get the magnet close? And then if you want to keep it open to where you don't have to worry about the lock, you just flip that. Then you don't have to worry about it. And then it comes with screws, so you can put the screws right in there. I'll worry about that part later. And it has the same for the top piece, if you can see that up there. And it's that simple. And then you're done.